Okay, all right. The film I'm going to be talking about today is EJ, The Journey, and it stars two of the most important, important stars of Nollywood films, and that's Jennifer Vinaji and Omotola Jalade Kehinde. One of the most, the two most prominent female filmmakers, and of course, film actresses in Nigeria. Anyway, the story actually goes thus. An African woman is imprisoned when she kills her American husband, and but it's her sister that holds the key to her freedom. Anya realizes her dream when she left Nigeria for America and married a successful music producer. Fancy cars and a mansion were exchanged for a jail cell when she killed him in self-defense, supposed self-defense. Aya was rescued of murder, and her sister Chioma traveled from Nigeria to the U.S. to support her. She found Anya and Anthony, and together they came up with a defense. But Chioma later discovered a secret that was crucial to Anya's release from prison. You know, One thing we need to realize about this film is that it's actually part of what Hamid Nafisi talks about when he describes diasporic films. In terms of accented cinemas, where Africans actually decide to travel abroad to seek greener pastures, which is very common among immigrants from the third world today. And EJ is a very good example of that kind of film. And in short, EJ, which is an Igbo translation of the term "the journey," is a family drama that is based on a childhood bond between two sisters as they reminiscence on old times growing up in Nigeria. Their traditions were neatly unveiled to the audience. The movie differs from Nollywood, Gollywood films in that it's a courtroom drama, a courtroom drama. The blending of the African and the American cultures was well done with a cast of mixed ethnicities, as it were. Now, I have actually done an extensive work. I've actually done an extensive work on this about 2 years ago. You will find an extended essay on it in Kajita Nyeka's edited book, alongside the one he edited with Jack Taylor. It's actually titled African Migration Narrative. I hope this actually helps. Thanks.